What's up, guys? Bring my second. I told him that I'm gonna get him back. So what I'm gonna do is I made a fake egg. See? Because all the yolk is in there. So it's pretty much fake. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go crack it so then I'll fake it. But what he doesn't know is that I got the real egg. Let's go see. Carson! Come here. You need to come over here and grab something for Caden. No, they're getting ready to go to bed. Come on. Let's go. Come on. They need to go to bed. Come on. Come on. Grab a pee pad. No. No, you look so fucking gay. I mean, you look so retarded. But no, we need to start putting it down a pee pad. It's almost 9 o'clock, I think. Yeah, it's almost 9 o'clock for my phone. I have my phone. It's almost 9 o'clock. Mom told me we need to get them to bed now. Okay, fine. Well, then I guess I get to stay up. But yeah. So, whatever. No, whatever. It's a fake one, god dang it. I was pranking you.
I don't want to put a blanket over my head because I knew it would smash me.
But the babies really do need to start going to bed in a little bit. But it was just a fucking fake one.
Do you have another egg on you?
No, we can't do another one. But look, it's just a fucking
They suck.
You actually believe? Okay, stop. I need to go throw it away.
I'm going to pull up. Wait, I'm putting Cohen to bed. Okay, Cohen, come here.
They're all going in the same room, so. Alright, well, fine, put on pajamas on them. It's okay.
But there's gotta be a limit. One big cycle.